Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have probably 2 minutes to film this for you, but I think it's worth it. 2004 Toyota 4Runner, 217,000 miles, whatever, aftermarket rims, there is some lift. You can see it right there. I did entire timing belt job. I'm bleeding air from the system. But look, these updates. Look at that rotor, and look how that rotor is small towards to the entire brake caliper. And also, what I will show you, absolutely shocking, I never saw this in my life. The caliper is so small, it's basically cutting. Oh my god, I cannot film it. Come on camcorder, do it for us. Do you see that? That rotor is cutting inside of the brake pads groove, so there's not even way to see how much is left. It's not using full surface of these brake pads. Is it maybe from here more visible? Look at this. You cannot even see the rotor yet. These are the pads and it's just cutting into them. It's not using the whole surface. I never saw such an aftermarket upgrade, but that's no good. I don't think this is safe. I don't think putting these ventilated rotors makes any sense in this case, when the whole brake system it's completely messed up. I have to write it down for the owner. Sorry, I'm in a hurry, I need to finish and give it back. So that was all I could do for you today. Thanks for watching, have a good one.